You want to make a game, so you open YouTube, start watching tutorials, and 2 hours later, you still can't figure out how to add a single button. And every video tells you the same thing. Just try it. You can't learn coding by memorizing. But here's what nobody actually says. You don't need to know how to code to make a game. You don't need to understand how a game engine works. The only thing you need is the ability to read, follow instructions, and maybe be a little creative, but we'll get to that part at the end. Because with AI, that's genuinely all it takes now. You just need an idea. I had nothing more than that when I built Apocalypse. If you don't know what that is, check my shorts. For this video, I'm building a brand new game from scratch, and I'm letting Claude pick the idea. I use Claude for pretty much all my coding stuff. It's just the best at it. Anyway, let's get into it. Step 1. Get an idea. I just ask Claude. It gives me a list, and I pick whichever one sounds fun. That's the whole creative process. No brainstorming for hours. No wondering if it's too complicated. Claude already knows what's realistic. Step 2. Ask Claude to write all the code. I tell it what I want and ask for every script I'll need, and it just does it. My job at this point is basically just copying and pasting. When you have a problem, ask it everything. How to download Unity, which settings to use, why something isn't working. Just ask. It's like having someone sitting next to you who actually knows what they're doing. Way faster than Googling everything and ending up on a forum from 2014. Step 3. Set it up in Unity. Just follow the instructions. Create the script, add the game object, set up the canvas. Claude tells me exactly where to click. It sounds like a lot, but you're really just moving things around where it says to. Step 4. When something breaks. And something will break. That's just how it goes. When it does, I copy the error, paste it into Claude, and it fixes it. This is the part where most people give up. Don't. Every error is just a question you haven't asked yet. Okay, this is the part I genuinely don't enjoy. The textures, the animations, it just takes forever. But it matters, because nobody wants to play a game made of gray boxes. For that, I use pixel art. It runs free in the browser, no download needed. Draw your sprites, download them, drag them into Unity. Then I go back to Claude. I made some textures. How do I get them into my game and assign them properly? One prompt, and it walks me through the whole thing. From there, you can just keep going. Every new feature, every new level, just ask Claude to help you add it. It doesn't really have a ceiling, and that's it. That's a game. Built without knowing how to code, without a course, without understanding how any of this actually works under the hood. Download Unity, get Visual Studio, make a free Claude account, and just start. You already have what you need. If this was useful, drop a like. It actually helps a lot. Subscribe if you want to see me keep building this out. And leave a comment. If this inspired you to make your own game,